Welcome to Average League Bowler Reviews, where you can get just that, ball reviews by an average league bowler. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, comment, and click the bell to be notified when there's new video. I am not on staff with any ball company. I am an average league bowler. All balls come out of my own pocket. What does this mean to you? I will give you an independent, unbiased review of the ball. I won't only tell you that it's great. If I find something I don't like, I'll let you know. Today we will be reviewing the Storm Parallax. The Storm Parallax features the Traction X7 hybrid cover stock and the new Aeroflow core. Both the cover stock and core are new technology. The core was created by taking the best features of the 7 most popular cover stocks, which are the Reactor, R2S, TX16, NRG, Spec, GI20, and NEX. The core has an ellipsed hole filled with lighter core material to get a higher RG than what's typically found in most asymmetrical balls. Let's take a look at the numbers. This ball has a low RG of 2.52, the differential is 0.054, and it has a PSA or intermediate differential of 0.019. This ball is a hybrid asymmetrical. Its out-of-box finish is 1500 grit polished. The fragrance is funnel cake, and with being a versatile ball, the motion, it all depends on the layout and the surface. At 1500 grit polished, the core and cover combination give the Parallax moderate length with an angular break point along with continuous motion on the back end. I changed my surface to 2000 grit, and my layout is 45 by 4.5 by 45. Laying it out that way and changing the surface allowed me to create a little bit of a different shape, keeping the ball in front of me, and it forced the ball to burn up its energy early and go into an earlier roll. If you want to see video of out-of-box surface and this ball snapping off the break point, driving through the pins, there are several of them out there. In my opinion, this ball is best for medium conditions. However, it can be used on just about anything except for dry patterns. I can see this ball making it into many people's bags. It's very versatile. It takes surface change really well. And if you know how to make the proper adjustments, you can use this for an entire league night of all 3 games. Now, when I have a ball, I like to find something that will give me miss room on both the outside and the inside, as I'm not dead on accurate where I'm going to hit the same board every time. And with this ball, I was able to bowl it pretty much down the track, and if I missed inside, it held the line. If I pushed it out, it had enough energy where it would come right back into the pocket. On a couple of these shots, or one of these shots, I went Brooklyn, and it still gave me a strike. I'll always take that. It's good to be lucky sometimes. And it is continuous, as you can also see by the shots I go through the 1-3 pocket. Most of them drive past the 5 and split the 8-9. I was able to score well with this ball with a 246. I'd like to give a special thanks to BuddiesProShop.com, Bowlifi, Creating the Difference, and JB's Allen Bowl. Use promo code JMAC5, that's JMAC5, at BuddiesProShop.com to receive a 5% discount on orders of $50 or more. Some exclusions do apply. There is a link in the description. For custom, semi-custom, quick ship jerseys, towels, and custom face masks, follow my affiliate link in the description to Bowlifi and use promo code AVGLEAGUEBOWLER5OFF to receive 5% off of your order. I'd like to tell you about BowlAddX.com. BowlAddX.com is a website where you can research and compare balls across multiple manufacturers. You can also sign up for a free account and use it to keep track of your arsenal. The website is always improving. And as always, thanks for watching.